Hi beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing great. I'm doing absolutely fine. So today I'm back with another vlog. So this is going to be a weekend vlog. So basically this weekend I have a lot of work to get done and it is going to be really fun. So I thought why not film it and make you guys also go through it. So basically it is at 10:45 and it's so beautiful. I get up late though because I do a night shift. My shift lasts for like 1 o'clock in the night, and then getting up early in the morning is not my cup of tea. I need a good 8 hours sleep for me to function properly the next day. So yes, I'm going to make my breakfast. Come. So So this is what my breakfast looks like. I took like 3 chapatis, and then there is Loki ki sabzi, and there is some green tea with lemon and a glass of water. Like water is a ritual. You're having tea or not, you have to hydrate your body. That is how you'll get a beautiful glow from inside as well. So first agenda of the day is to edit this video and put it up live, because today a video should go at any cost. I am very lazy at editing. I do not edit. You must have seen I want to be regular from now. So today anyways this is going up. Do watch it. Before this video comes up, this will be already up on my channel. If you didn't watch, please go ahead and watch. Along with editing, I'm going to have my breakfast as well, because I do not have time separately to enjoy my breakfast today, because I have a lot of work to do and I have to get it done. Because I'm delaying it from a long while, I should do it. So the video editing is done and the video is getting uploaded, so it will be live like within 10 to 15 minutes next. And see the time, like when did I start and what is time now. So it takes a lot of time to edit for me, because I wanted every detail precise, and anywhere music and all, I want everything on point. It does take a lot of time for me to edit and put them. So finally the video is up. Now what I'll do is I will have some lunch, set my hair, put on some makeup and get the day going. This is my outfit. I have paired a military t-shirt with some black jeans, and I love this t-shirt. This is so comfy and nice. Paired it with some gold earrings, and that's it. I put some lipstick on. I have not put any makeup, and let's go. So I have my mom coming with me. Please come on, Matashi. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Hi. Basically, I'm done with all my work and I've come to Spar hypermarket to get my watch fixed. So it's not working from a while. And we are at this place. Too many people at Kamal's Watch Co, and I wanted to get batteries changed. So finally I got my watch fixed after like 6 months. It wasn't working and I was wearing it like that only. So I think I had another plan as well, but I am not sure if I will go or not, because it's already 6, and if I go to that place and go back home it will be 9. And there's my mom coming with me. Oh my god, I am thirsty, I'm hungry. Hi my lovelies, I am home. एक इंसिडेंट हो गया था, मेरा दिल रुक गया, like legit my heart stopped beating for a moment, because what happened is we went to the hypermarket. After hypermarket, when I was coming downstairs, I kept the phone in the car door pocket. And after that we went to a shop wherein I had some food, and then I realized while paying by Google Pay, so there was no card, so I was about to Google Pay and I cannot find my phone. I forgot that I kept it in the car door space. I kept searching for 20 minutes. That Pani Puri Bhaiya is looking at me. The people in the stall are looking at me. Everyone's looking at me. I am wondering, अरे मैंने ये क्या कर दिया? मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ. I thought I left it in the Kamal showroom where I went to clean my watch. I thought I left it over there because I remember I had my phone there. I called my father. तो मैंने देखा, ढूंढा. After 20 minutes, my mother calls on my phone again and again. I open the car door and I see a light from my door's cup holder. So when I saw it from the cup holder, I quickly went and saw, and I was so happy. एक मिनट के लिए दिल रुक गया because I am depending upon that phone. I was making mac and cheese dinner for night, and look, I got a courier who's waiting for it for a while, and here it is. It's so small. I expected it to be a little bigger, so I upgraded my tripod to Digitech wala. So basically I used to use a selfie stick. So when I'm using the selfie stick, the only problem is I cannot keep it at a place. I have to always catch it. And the normal tripod I have, I cannot carry it everywhere because it is not that comfortable for me to carry it all around, take it out, open it, close it and stuff. Okay, so sorry. So this is the tripod and this is the phone holder. So you can fix the camera as well on this. Okay, this is nice. Okay, this is nice, sturdy. You can even change it into the shapes and the sizes you want. So it's nicely flexible. I think it's the yoga ones. So this is also telling me to do the yoga. So this is fine. I like it. The only thing is to make it straight, it will get hard. I got the camera controller also on this, and this one prices around, I don't know, I just paid it online itself. It's a prepaid order. This was priced around 400 rupees. Yes, this is priced around 400 rupees and it's a good sturdy tripod. And even if I'm shooting like this and for vlogs, it is more comfortable than the selfie stick or this tripod because I cannot catch this. Look at this mess. I use it a lot, but I am very lazy to clean. So look at this mess. Not cleaned it for like good 2 weeks. And look at the dust. So this is the first agenda of the day. So if I have to use the car, I have to clean it internally and externally also. So let's see you after cleaning the car. Hi guys, good morning. So I have cleaned my car and I have come for breakfast. So as usual, a ritual breakfast, 1 glass of full water and a cup of green tea with, today my mother made tacos. So it looks yummy. So this is what I'm going to dive in with. I'm going to watch something. So guys, I filmed like 3 good videos and those came out excellent. I have to sit and edit them, like I'll do them tomorrow basically. So I have to fix my situation for shorts and reels. So one of the product review I have done, which will be live before this video goes live, Mamaearth's Kajal. This is a beautiful product guys. Please go ahead and check out the video and do like, share and comment on that video as well, because I'm not sponsored. I bought it from my own money and I love this product and I want you people to also try and check this product's review. So the I button will be here or here. You can go click that and go check that video. So this is how my lunch looks. It's so yummy and I'm so hungry. So this is a portion of rice I've taken, and I've taken some garlic pickle, 2 mirchi bhaji, curd as usual, and a cup of dal. So this is how my lunch looks. I forgot water. I have to get water and then I will sit, watch the doctor. So this is a little boring for me, but yes, I still want to complete the movie, so I'm watching this. And this is how my lunch is going to be, guys. So as usual, I'm late. I have to hurry, go home, get ready. So guys, I'm finally home and it is 1 o'clock in the night. So 1 a.m. properly. And I'm so tired. I had a lot of fun. I got to meet my relatives after like a long while, after the lockdown situation and all. And it was a lot of fun. I had non-veg. Like this Kartika Masam is going on and I cannot eat non-veg. And I got a chance to eat non-veg as well. So my stomach is pretty happy. So the only thing I have to do is remove makeup and go to sleep. So I remember that I did not end the vlog because I did not get a chance to end there. There were a lot of people, we were talking and having fun. So this is all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, keep shining. Love you. Bye bye.